some Kenyans went and said, we suspect somebody is massacring people here in a particular police station. And I'm sure that police station has a OB. And so in terms of accountability, and so that we don't criminalize every police officer, you criminalize everybody, the way we do it Kenyan style, everybody is bad. The committee must also look at ways of pinpointing specific lapses and exonerating public officials, security agencies, or officers who did their work in the circumstances. I believe the National Police Service, not the entire service, but some officers will have a case to answer, and other organs of security. I believe even the judiciary, some officials will have a case to answer at some point, and we'll get there. So there was a report at Langobaya police station in 2020. It has never been acted until today. And this report was particularly about the activities in Shakahola Forest, meaning if the kind of effort which had been done previously could have been done on this particular report, maybe the Shakahola massacre could have been prevented or at least mitigated. It's my view.